In this video, we are going to see an N8N workflow that find unlimited leads. We click on Execute Workflow to try the workflow and get the result. Here, as you can see, we have up to almost 3,000 employees, so 3,000 leads that has been scrapped and are in our Google Sheet. Here, as you can see, we have thousands of leads from this workflow, and it is a real lead machine that you can use to generate lead on demand for any specific company in any specific department and seniority. So that's what we are going to dive in today. Switch to the Google Sheets document where the generated leads are stored for easy access and review. Open the Google Sheets interface to view the detailed list of leads generated by the workflow. Switch back to the Link Finder AI workflow interface to continue the lead generation process. Click here to access workflow controls and settings for further configuration. Click here to open additional workflow options and nodes for customization. Click here to expand workflow nodes and view detailed configurations. Click the array containing Tesla, Notion, Ramp, which represents the companies targeted for lead scraping. Click here to access the next workflow node for processing company data. Click here to open detailed settings of the selected workflow node. Click here to expand the node configuration for further adjustments. Click Company Name to Website node, which converts company names into their corresponding websites. Click JSON.CompanyName to reference the dynamic company name in the workflow. Click Authorization to configure API access credentials for the workflow. Click the link in the video description to access Link Finder AI's website and resources. Switch to the Link Finder AI website to explore product features and sign-up options. Click Start Free Trial to create a free account and begin using Link Finder AI. Click API Access to view and manage your API keys for integration. Click here to copy your API key to the clipboard for use in the workflow. Fill the authorization field with your API key to enable workflow authentication. Click here to proceed with configuring the workflow nodes after API setup. Click here to open the next node in the workflow for further data processing. Click here to access another node for further workflow configuration. Click here to open detailed settings of the selected node. Click here to expand the node configuration for further customization. Click Authorization to review or update API authorization settings. Click the API key field to verify the authorization token is correctly entered. Fill the authorization field with your API key to authenticate API requests. Click Company Domain to Employees to access the node that retrieves employee data from company domains. Switch to the Link Finder AI website to access API documentation and resources. Click View API Docs to explore detailed API usage and endpoints. Click Company Enrichment to learn about enriching company data via the API. Click Get a filtered list of employees from a company domain. Filter by department and seniority to see filtering options. Click the curl command example showing how to post requests to the Link Finder AI API. Click Department to understand how to filter employees by department in API requests. Click Seniority to learn how to filter employees by seniority level via the API. Switch back to the Link Finder AI workflow interface to continue configuration. Click Input Data to view the data being passed into the workflow nodes. Click JSON Domain to reference the domain variable in the workflow data. Click Add Body Field to include more parameters in the API request payload. Click here to configure additional body fields for the API request. Fill the seniority field to specify the seniority level filter for employee data. Click here to open the seniority field for editing or review. Fill C-Suite to ensure the seniority parameter is correctly set for API requests. Click Add Body Field to include additional parameters in the API request body. Click here to access settings for the newly added body field. Fill Department to specify the department filter for employee data retrieval. Click here to open the department field for editing or review. Fill Marketing to target employees within the marketing department. Click here to access another node for further workflow configuration. Click here to open the next node in the workflow for additional processing. Click Name to reference the name field in the workflow data. Click here to expand the node configuration for further customization. Switch to the YouTube video for additional context and resources related to the workflow. Click the GitHub link in the video description to access the workflow's source code. Switch to the GitHub repository page to explore the workflow files and documentation. Click More File Actions to access options for managing workflow files. Click Download to save the workflow JSON file for import into your N8N instance. Switch back to the LinkFinder AI workflow interface to continue setup. Click here to access options for importing workflows from files. Click Import from File to upload the downloaded workflow JSON and start using it.